Oh, I wonder if right through here is too deep.
Yo, that shit was cool.
Yeah, you popped up out of it. Ten gear. Oh yeah.
Hey, holy shit.
Woo! Such a nice day. It's been so cold lately and it's like 67 right now. It feels great. Woo! Narkill, bro. This one's different.
I know, look, there's a trail right there too.
This is kind of sick.
Should we come back to that one?
Yeah, we'll come back to it. I bet this loops around or something. These are all new back here. Woo! Yeah, not too shabby at all. Woo! Damn, this is sick. This is so much more new stuff. And now I think, yeah, now we're going back on the trail we came from. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's a lot of trails. That looks like a sick little jump.
Jump it?
Might have to. What is this? It's a rock? I'm gonna move this stick. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, I'm sending this thing. Woo! It's pretty nice. Whew.
Who would've seen that everything was never as far as it really seemed? She said you on your own now, I guess they don't believe till you